Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, it's another sunny, beautiful morning here in Orlando, Florida. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 65 degrees, and I'm just down from the Amtrak and Sunrail station. Probably catch maybe about 6 or 7 Sunrail trains. No Amtraks, they're running about an hour late today. Well, I think that's going to do it. It's 10 o'clock. We caught, I think, 6 or 7 Sunrail trains. And like I said, no Amtraks. The other one's probably about 45 minutes out now. But I think that's going to do it here from Orlando, Florida. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rails. Oh, let's wait for the fire truck or ambulance. Ooh, I hope they're all right. See you later.